The date is the 19th of July 2015. The time is 13 minutes past 4 in the afternoon. The contractor is Octomar. The client is Seadrill. The vessel is Yara Cavalier. The job is the UWALD West Gemini. Inspection diver is Zenon Lambro. Supervisor is Gaston Leray. The diver is doing a post-installation inspection of the anodes on the center bow thruster on T1. He's at the 12 o'clock position on the quart nozzle, and he's looking at the identification plate, and the number is 64336. Okay, Zenon, you can carry on inspecting the anodes on the quart nozzle, starting at number 1.
Copy, I'm at anode number 1, making my way, moving clockwise. We have bolts on either side in place and secure, anode is secure.
Number 2.
Both sides, 2 locking nuts in place and secure.
Number 3.
Locking nuts in place and secure.
Number 4.
Locking nuts in place and secure.
Number 5.
Locking nuts in place and secure.
Number 6.
Locking nuts in place and secure.
Number 7.
Locking nuts in place and secure.
Number 8.
Locking nuts either side in place and secure.
Number 9.
Locking nuts either side in place and secure.
Number 10.
Locking nuts either side and it's secure.
Number 11.
Locking nuts both sides and it's secure.
Number 12.
Locking nuts either side in place and secure.
Number 13.
Locking nuts either side in place and secure.
Number 14.
Locking nuts either side in place and secure.
15.
Locking nuts either side in place and secure.
16.
Locking nuts either side in place and secure.
17.
Locking nuts either side in place and secure.
18.
Locking nuts either side in place and secure.
19.
Locking nuts either side in place and secure.
20.
Locking nuts either side in place and secure.
21.
Locking nuts either side in place and secure.
22.
Locking nuts either side in place and anode is secure.
Roger, go to the aft side of the thruster and check the anodes there.
You want to start from here?
Roger.
Both locking nuts in place and
1.
we have one missing.
Roger. 2.
In place, secure.
3.
In place and secure. Okay, move down below this. Here we have another one.
4.
Place, secure. Another one.
5.
Place and secure.
6.
Both locking nuts in place and secure.
7.
Locking nuts either side in place and secure.
8.
Locking nuts either side in place and secure.
9.
Locking nuts either place and secure.
10.
Locking nuts either side insecure.
11.
Locking nuts either place is secure.
12.
Locking nuts either side insecure. We have one missing.
Roger. Now you can go up to the top. There should be some attached on the hull. There in front I see one.
Copy. You have one on top. We have locking nuts both sides and secure.
1.
Then we'll move the other way around.
There should be 3 there at the top. There's number 2.
Locking nuts either side in place and secure. Okay, let me just sort out my umbilical.
Okay, Roger.
I'm gonna swim right around actually.
Okay, Roger. So we just need one more.
Yeah, Roger. I have a visual on the next one.
Roger.
Here's the last one.
Number 3.
Roger. Both sides locking nuts in place and secure.
Roger, all anodes, locking nuts in place and secure.